Have you ever wondered how the watch you wear today came to be? It all began with the dawn of timekeeping, when ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Babylonians measured the passing of time using sundials and calendars. They marked the movement of the sun across the sky, creating a rudimentary yet effective system of tracking time. Fast forward to the 14th century, a pivotal moment in our story when mechanical timekeepers were invented. This groundbreaking innovation revolutionized the world, setting the stage for portable timepieces. With the introduction of these mechanical marvels, time was no longer a concept observed from the heavens, but something tangible and personal that could be carried around. From sundials in ancient civilizations to the development of mechanical timekeepers, the quest to measure time accurately and conveniently has been a fascinating journey. The stage was now set for a new chapter in this story, the creation of the watch. And so began the journey of the watch, from the sundial to the pocket watch. In the 16th century, timekeeping took a giant leap forward. The era marked a significant shift from the grandeur of clocks to the portability and convenience of watches. The credit of this transition often goes to a German clockmaker named Peter Henlein. This ingenious inventor crafted the first wearable timepieces, forever changing our perception of time. As we moved into the 17th century, pocket watches became the rage. Men would carry these elegant timepieces in their pockets, a perfect blend of practicality and protection. But the art of watchmaking was still in its infancy, and accuracy was a major issue. This was until the year 1657, when the balance spring was introduced. The balance spring was a game changer. It drastically improved the accuracy of watches, setting the stage for further innovations in this field. With this advancement, the pocket watch wasn't just a novelty anymore. It was a reliable, essential tool, becoming an integral part of society. But as history shows us, innovation never stops. The pocket watch had firmly established itself in society, but the evolution of the watch was far from over. The 18th and 19th centuries saw a flurry of innovations in watchmaking. During this period, watchmakers were pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The verge escapement, a mechanism that releases the watch's wheels to move forward a small amount with each swing of the balance wheel, was a game changer. Then the lever escapement came along, offering even greater accuracy. It's still used in most mechanical watches today. Jewel bearings, made from hard minerals like ruby and sapphire, were added to reduce friction and wear, enhancing the lifespan of watches. And let's not forget the introduction of glass crystals, replacing easily scratched plastic, giving watches a clear face that lasts. Meanwhile, British and French watchmakers were leading the charge, significantly improving accuracy and reliability. They were the watch world's trendsetters, their designs and innovations eagerly awaited by the rest of the globe. Then in the 19th century, the American watch industry made a groundbreaking move: mass production. By introducing assembly lines and interchangeable parts, they revolutionized the industry. Suddenly, high-quality watches were not just for the wealthy, but accessible to everyone. These advancements paved the way for the modern watch industry as we know it. And then came the game changer, the quartz watch. Bursting onto the scene in the 1960s, this revolution in timekeeping shook the world of watches to its core. The quartz watch, with its precise timekeeping and low maintenance, pushed the mechanical watch into the realm of luxury and reshaped the industry in ways we still see today. As we transitioned into the modern era, iconic timepieces began to emerge, each leaving an indelible mark on the industry. The Cartier Santos, a blend of style and function, the Rolex Submariner, the epitome of durability and elegance, and the Omega Speedmaster, the first watch on the moon. These are not just watches, they are milestones in our journey through time, but the march of progress never stops. The latest development in our quest to measure time is the smartwatch. These devices, strapped to our wrists, do more than just tell time. They connect us to the world, track our health, and even make payments. They are a far cry from the sundials of old, but they share the same fundamental purpose. From sundials to smartwatches, the journey of the watch is a testament to human innovation and our timeless obsession with time.